Hey, it's Jack here. For the next few nights, we're going to be staying here in Mission Bay, California, the Bahia Resort Hotel. As you enter the property to get checked in, you're probably going to park right out front here in one of these parking spots. Well, as you do, the office is straight ahead. Make sure you go to the left first and check out the seal pen. Seal Refuge. They are rescued seals. And if you keep walking around the side of the seal refuge here, it's like you're in a tropical oasis in the middle of urban San Diego. Over here it tells us about the seals. They've got two of them. There's Gracie and Billy. It says Gracie was a stranded seal pup found in 2005. And Billy was found on the beach in Homer, Alaska. And this here is Billy. Billy is a blind seal. And he's just chilling out here. He will not be harmed. He just got a good living spot right here at the Bahia Hotel. Here you can walk around the seal refuge. Walk this straight back, you go to the Airstream, which is currently closed, but they do have some coffee and iced tea type of drinks here. This fountain here takes us into the office. This is where you do your check-in. Right through here. Off the side of the lobby is the residence lounge. It's open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. And in here they have pool table, they have shuffleboard, they have some foosball also. And if you just want to come in and chill and watch some TV and these nice couches, you can do that too. A lot of rooms at the back of the property here. It's on the 4th floor and it's a bay view room. We'll go up here and see what it looks like. Walk in, there's like this atrium feel in here. And these doors definitely give it that 60s, 70s vibe. And our room for the night is room 491. I should say that our room for the next few nights is 491. Here's our room, 491. Coming into the room off to the right, we have the bathroom. We have a vanity first. They got one of those chairs down below there. We come in, bright vanity mirror. Tarocco is their flavor of choice for their soap. And they have the same thing. This is their moisturizing lotion. Nice bathtub, shower. And there's more toiletries back there for Tarocco. We come out of the bathroom, straight ahead is a nice little kitchenette. They've got a refrigerator freezer, so you have your own freezer, so there's ice already ready to go there. And down below is a small refrigerator. Put your stuff in there. And then over here there is a microwave. Comes with full assortment of silverware. Empty drawer. Down below we have glasses. There's wine glasses, regular glasses, and coffee mugs right there. And here's some dishes for breakfast. On the opposite side of that, they have 2 courtesy bottles of water. They do have an ice bucket with glasses. Underneath, this is an empty cabinet. Over here, they do have a toaster. Right there, there's a toaster. Come into the room, we've got the king bed. Come around, there is a nice closet. There is a closet. Inside the closet, we have our safe spot. There's a luggage rack There's an ironing board and an iron. The only thing the closet doesn't have, it's not self-lighted, so you just kind of have to work around that. But other than that, it's got everything like a Vegas room would have, including your safe spot. From the living area, there are 2 bar stools or bar chairs, whatever you want to call them, where you can sit here and have breakfast or whatever you want to do, have something to eat. As we come away from the kitchenette, we have this large 65-inch TV. Below that, there is a couch that folds out into a bed. And there's this large chair here. We have our own private balcony that has a bay view. And we can see people are out there doing some sailing. So on the property, they have a tennis courts. They have actually 2 tennis courts. Those tennis courts are right through these gates here. They need to be reserved in advance at the front desk, but they're pretty well kept, as we can see here. So if you play tennis and come out here to Bahia, Court 1 and Court 2 are waiting for your arrival. Follow this path around. It takes us to their restaurant called Dockside 1953. So this is Dockside 1953. We're here for lunch. This is their lunch menu. I don't know what I'm going to get yet, but when I do, I'll show it to you. I end up going with the fish tacos. Unfortunately, when I initially recorded this, the camera didn't record. Oops, it happens. But anyways, here's the fish taco minus the fish, because I already ate the fish. Really good sized taco. And you get 2 of them. They're really good. Outside the restaurant, they have this photo op. San Diego. And each letter has something representative of San Diego. Also outside the restaurant, they have their gift shop. Pretty much anything you forgot at home, they probably got it here. And part of the room, with booking the room, you get access to the private beach. They've got these umbrellas and chairs that you can reserve. Then at nighttime, you can take the Bahia Bell tour around Mission Bay. We'll be doing that later on this evening. They also have action sport rentals. You can rent various watercraft or a beach cruiser. And this is their pool area. This is their pool. And over here off to the side, they have their hot tub. Rather large hot tub. Inside this door is a fitness center. There are people working out, so I won't go in there, but they do have a nice fitness center. There's some treadmills in there, some stationary bikes. This is a pretty cool mural painted here on the wall. Also on property for the kids, they have this slide set. Pretty cool. They got obstacle course over there, it looks like, and then there's a couple slides to go down. Over here they have a gazebo hidden back here in the tropical jungle. There's a duck pond right there. See the ducks out there. Come over here and got this nice gazebo set up, and the ducks are swimming in the pond. Well, I spent 2 nights here at Bahia Resort in Mission Bay, San Diego, California. It's a lot of words to say in one sentence. Enjoyed the stay. The view was fantastic. Open up the slider, look out toward the bay, sit on the balcony in the evening, actually in the daytime too. The amenities here at this resort are just incredible. The resort's been around since the 50s, 60s time frame. You could see that with the decor as you walked by. The resort was very quiet. They have a 0 noise tolerance policy after 10 p.m. And even before 10 p.m. there was not much noise in the resort overall. If you're down in San Diego, Mission Bay, going to SeaWorld, recommend checking out the Bahia Resort Hotel. Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. We'll catch you on the next one.